Back, everybody. Let's face it, many of us wake up tired. We wake up tired. We wake up dragging throughout the day with that micro tiredness feeling. And I don't know if you're like me, but I have to have multiple cups of coffee throughout the day, and I just don't think that that's very good for me. So you got to do that to get through the day, and it's like America has almost given up on the idea of a good night's sleep. So what can we do to get a good night's rest so that we don't need all of that coffee? Joining us now to discuss this is the CEO of GhostBed, Marc Werner. Marc, thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having GhostBed, John and Amanda, today.
Absolutely. All right. So tell us about GhostBed. What is it? How does it work? Tell us.
So, a little background. My grandfather started Werner Ladder over 100 years ago. He was a lieutenant colonel in World War I and II and served in those battles. And then he started the Werner Company and then brought on my dad. And my dad invented the aluminum ladder and the fiberglass ladder and started the family business, and all about quality and durability and brand reputation. Great American family story. Been around over 100 years, went from nothing to 85% market share over that 100-year period.
Wow.
That business was sold about 26 years ago, and I wanted to keep the family business going. So my wife and I started GhostBed, and I wanted our kids to be involved because family business is important to me, important to my wife and my family, and it's a great way to keep your family together as a binder. So I also had 3 neck surgeries, which helped lead me into making a pillow and a mattress that worked for me because I couldn't find anything that did. And I'm an inventor guy, and I invented the digital bathroom scale that many people probably don't like me about, but I did nonetheless a long time ago. So I've invented a lot of things. So I made my own pillow and mattress that worked, and then I just kept adding on to that from there. And so that's kind of our genesis, the reason, the story. We're based here in South Florida. We originally started in Chicago. We moved down here about 20 years ago. And so GhostBed sells direct to consumer, sells to the big box people like Costco and Sam's Club. Yep. We sell in the United States, Canada, the UK, expanding to Puerto Rico and Mexico this year. So it's a growing company, multi-channel, omni-channel type of business with a number of products that can deal with your different needs. If it's back pain, neck pain, this pain, whatever it is, we've got a different product, cooling technologies that work and make our customers very happy.
Yeah.
So cool.
All right, so I got to admit, I'm a little jaded as an investigative reporter. I'm like, well, how much difference can a mattress make? But I recently got a GhostBed, and it is really it's almost a religious experience when you get in the bed, because it just feels different than as the night goes on. If it's the furnace has been running too long or it's too cold in the house, it seems to adapt to your body. And there's some real innovation. I can't describe it other than the experience is incredible. What is the innovation behind this? How did you make a temperature adapting mattress that actually kind of just modifies where my body's going over the course of a sleep journey?
But it's a great question. So we use phase change technology, aerating foam layers, and then putting phase change. So phase change is, think of like water in an ice cube. You drink water right now, you put it in the freezer, it's an ice cube, you put it back in the room temperature, and it gets to the ambient temperature, it's back to water. It's changing the phase of it. So it sucks away the heat from your person and allows that heat to go away. And you don't need like a 20-degree difference. 1 or 2 degrees is all you need to kind of feel the effect of a cooling sensation. I always tell the story when you were a little kid and you were sick and you said to your mother, I'm dying here. She takes your temperature. It's like, okay, 99.8. You're up 1 degree. And you thought you were, burning up. It doesn't take much to kind of burn up, and it doesn't take too much to get you back to a neutral position so you feel really good. So that's part of the science. And then we have a lot of different kinds of ways of going at it. Also putting the phase change technology into the fabric. So it's instant cool touch, which feels great for the mattress, our pillows, our cooling pillows, and even our sheets. We use Tenasil, which is made from eucalyptus and long staple cottons, Pima cotton from California. We weave it together. And every morning I wake up on our sheets and I say to my wife, this is like the greatest thing ever. And I mean, I'm saying the same thing over year after year after year. I just switched which mattress I use to our 3D Matrix mattress, which uses the same gel that's on every operating table around the world. That's instantly cool and also has no pressure points. So since my next surgery, I decided to get back into golf, which was what I did in college and my passion. Took 15 years off, and now I'm back into it I figured I'm in pain anyway. Why not suffer some more? But I wanted to change which mattress I'm on. So I'm now on the 3D matrix. So it takes away all those pressure points. So I'm not as bad off in the morning.
That's amazing.
All right, Mark, I got to ask you, because I'm a back sleeper, so I could sleep on a 2x4 and be perfectly happy on my back. My husband is a side sleeper, so he needs something a little bit squishier. If you have two people like me and my husband who have differing preferences, how does that work on your mattresses?
This is like a thank you question. I mean, we're the king of split king mattresses. So you have an adjustable base, which is great for you for neck pressure, back pressure, massaging it, underbed lighting, and then you can each have your own mattress. And there's no really valley of separation. You're totally together with the two twin XL mattresses that go onto these bases. And you can have a firmer mattress. He can have a mattress that's more adaptive for being a side sleeper. It works out perfectly. That's how I set it up with my wife. And it's a growing category. It's a category we help really push and pioneer at Costco and Sam's Club, and more people are getting into it with adjustable bases and split kings. That's what
amazing.
I recommend.
Amazing that so much innovation in the sleeping industry. All right, I want to turn to something else that keeps me up sometimes at night, but not because my mattress isn't good, because I worry about the economy and all of the extraordinary high interest. It's kind of slowed down people from buying things that make this country and its manufacturing base go. Tell us a little bit about the Fed. It actually has an impact even in the mattress industry, right?
It does. We're in the durable goods business. And so a durable good is anything that lasts more than 12 months. So I think a third of all workers make products in the durable goods space. We've all been in a recessionary environment for going on 5 years. It sort of peaked in September of 21, and it hasn't gotten any better. We need housing to come back, and what housing needs is lower interest rates. I mean, housing is down almost 50% in turnover, and every house that's sold and turned over, it's 2.2 mattresses, and I'm sure it's a barbecue and paint and furnishings and kitchen stuff and cabinets, etc. And it's just critical to our economy to get it going. We need the rates down. I appreciate what the Trump administration is trying to do to try to drive rates down. It's very important. And if you're Meta and you're Google, you guys make so much money, nothing matters to you guys. You're just huge businesses. But regular businesses around this country need housing to turn, need lower rates. It's better for automotive. It's just what we need. Please get the rates down.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Mark, before we let you go, tell us about this 101 night sleep trial.
I like this.
So what we do is we allow you to get the mattress. We ship it to your house, either FedEx or White Glove, whatever you prefer. And then you have almost 3 months to try it out. If you don't like it, if it's the wrong decision for you, we'll pick it up and take it away and give you a full credit. We're totally good. We try to have what's called the Mark's quiz at the beginning of the when you come onto the site to kind of figure out if you sleep hot, if you're a back sleeper, side sleeper, what your issues are, to try to narrow it down. And I got to say, it works very effectively because our return rate is under 5%. So that's really a low return rate for buying a product sight unseen, which is also affordable quality. We're not priced like Tempur-Pedic at $5,000 to $15,000. We're between $700 and $1,800, $2,000.
That's a bargain, an absolute bargain.
I'll just speak as a customer. It didn't take me 101 nights. It took me about 101 minutes to realize I was sleeping on something very different. It really is. I just never thought a mattress would make that big a difference, and it really does, folks. I don't endorse many products, but I will tell you this was a game changer for me. So I want to mention
Absolutely.
it. I don't endorse very many things.
Mark, love your product. CEO of GhostBed, thanks so much for being with us tonight.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. All right, everybody. For our audience, if you would like to get better quality sleep risk-free, visit ghostbed.com/justnews. And don't forget, you can try the 101 night sleep trial. So don't miss out on that. They offer this guarantee because people actually sleep better on a GhostBed. So you're going to get your mattress shipped directly to your home. There's no pressure, no showroom awkwardness. On top of that, GhostBed is offering the white glove setup option where they will remove your old mattress so you don't have to lift a finger. So don't make the mistake thousands of Americans make every day when choosing their mattress, spending thousands of dollars thinking they are going to be getting the highest quality sleep. Visit ghostbed.com/justnews with the promo code JUSTNEWS for an extra 10% off. That's ghostbed.com/justnews with promo code JUSTNEWS for an extra 10% off. All right, we've got one more break and then we'll be back on the other side.